Welcome to Synthetic Oil Protection. I'm your host Eben, and we're here with Hamlet, the big race star on the channel, and he's loving this stuff. We're here at Street Car Super Nationals, and it's exciting. So look what we're up to. We're up to using the Miracle Wash, and we're going to be showing 3 good ways to use it. Now, not only can you use it on something like that, we're going to use it on a stubborn, burnt-on place over here. Take a look at that. So before you use the Miracle Wash, all you do is give it a shake, shake-a, and it's got the whole instructions, but basically you can use it on almost anything. I had a guy that was buying this stuff from me by the case, and he goes, I like to use it on my showers. He goes, it gets the water stains off. I go, you're funny as heck. Dave is hilarious. He's a funny guy. But we're going to keep using it here on the race car, and we're going to show you another sweet spot. Right, and now for the second way. He's going to start right now, and if you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe, tap the notification bell. That way you'll be able to come back and watch this important information for cleaning your race car later, or anything else, your showers, whatever. So he's nailing the bottom. Let's do it. You can see this beautiful cleaning action, and you can hear it. Wow, look at that. Look at that dirt come off. Show him the dirt. Look at that. It's like a new set of wheels. All right, time to go ahead and put that last layer on. So that is our UV protective layer. So it actually, not only does it clean, but it also puts that film on there. So he cleaned it, and now this is the last coat going on. And here's the after. Look at that. Look how beautiful those wheels are.
White ballast tires, Vortex, supercharged machine.
And now for the third way to use it. Let's clean this little booger. All right, let's spray that little booger. Let's do it. So this is the third way you can use the power foam, and you can see that beautiful cleaning action. Look at that. You gotta show them the stuff that's coming off. Holy cow. All that road grime. Dirtiest part. See the bottom of that. Holy cow. All right. Well, we're going to be here doing this oil analysis video very soon. So definitely subscribe, tap the notification bell. That way you'll be able to come back and watch the oil after, what, almost a year, right?
Yep, 11 months, going on 11 months.
All right. 11 months on Signature Series motor oil and this oil filter. We already did an oil filter change on it, and you can check out that video up here in the corner. And we'll be back doing this oil analysis here at the Speedway. All right, we'll see you back next time on Synthetic Oil Protection. Cheers to protection, protection, protection.